Designed to make video collaboration even easier, the Zoom integration for Slack allows you to start and join a video meeting directly from the Slack application. Collaborate one-on-one or with your entire team, whether they're across the office or across the globe, all with a single click. To activate the Zoom integration, a Zoom administrator simply needs to navigate to the integrations page of their Zoom profile to find Slack on the list of integrations. Clicking Authorize will take you to the Slack app where you can connect Zoom to your Slack team. Individual users can use their personal meeting ID for Slack by navigating to the Profile section of their account at zoom.us and selecting Use Personal Meeting ID for instant meetings. Inside Slack, you can start a meeting from a channel or direct message by simply typing /Zoom, start a meeting with a topic, or join an existing meeting by ID. Press Enter and Zoom will automatically create a message with the appropriate meeting information, as well as a link to join the meeting with a single click. Clicking this link will launch the Zoom application and add you straight to the meeting. When the meeting ends, the channel will receive a notification containing important details about the meeting and a link to the recording if a cloud recording is generated. Recordings are posted after they are processed. Slack team administrators can also set Zoom as the default method for calling within the app by navigating to the Settings and Permissions menu and setting the Enable Calling in Slack option to Zoom. This allows users to start Zoom meetings directly from the phone icon at the top of direct messages or channels. The Zoom integration for Slack makes collaboration and video communication easier and more accessible, right where and when you need it. For more information, visit support.zoom.us and search Slack